Coding and decoding. Coding is a method of transmitting messages between the sender and receiver without a third person understanding it. Coding and decoding test is set up to judge candidates' ability to decipher the law that codes a particular message and break the code to reveal the message. We will study 5 different types of coding. Type 1. Letter coding. It's always easier to handle numbers than the alphabets. So if there are questions on alphabet coding, it's better to use this table to decipher the code. Students must remember the place value of E, J, O, T and Y. Similarly, we can get the place value of alphabet from right to left, that is, in the reverse order. Sometimes you will find that questions are based on reverse order of letters. Again, you must remember the place value of B, G, L, Q and V in reverse order. Sum of opposite alphabet's positions is always 27, like AZ, BY, CX and so on. Now let us do a few examples. In a certain code, Sikkim is written as THLJJL. How is training written in the code? The first, third and fifth letters of the word are each moved one step forward. The second, fourth and sixth letters are each moved one step backward. So the code for training will be UQBHOHOF. If entry is written as EEBIG in a certain code, how can lucky be coded in the same code language? Observe the position value of entry with code. E is 5th, N is 14th, T is 20th, R is 18th and Y is 25th. Now add the digits and get the alphabet as per that. By following the pattern, the code for lucky is CCCBG. Type 2. Number coding. In this case, numeral code values are assigned to words. For example, if Palam is 43, then what will be the value of Santa Cruz? Now let us see the place value table. So place value for P is 16, A is 1, L is 12, A is 1 and M is 13. Now add it to get the code for Palam. Similarly, place value for S is 19, A is 1, N is 14, T is 20, A is 1, C is 3, R is 18, U is 21 and Z is 26. Let us add it to get the code for Santa Cruz. In a certain code language, if the code of Pioneer is 63 and Brand is 45, then what will be the code of technology in that code? In Pioneer, number of letters are 7 and in Brand, number of letters are 5. 63 is obtained by multiplying 7 with 9. Similarly, 45 is obtained by multiplying 5 with 9. Thus, answer will be 10 into 9, that is 90. Type 3. Substitution coding. In this case, some particular objects are assigned code names. For example, sky is called sea, sea is called water, water is called air, air is called cloud, and cloud is called river. Then, what do we drink when thirsty? One drinks water when thirsty, and as given, water is called air. Thus, one drinks air when thirsty. If light is called morning, morning is called dark, dark is called night, Night is called sunshine. Sunshine is called dusk. When do we sleep? In the code, night is called sunshine. As we sleep in night, the correct answer is sunshine. Type 4. Mixed letter coding. In this case, some messages are given in code language and the code for a particular word or message is asked. In a certain code, Bye Nai Pai means some good jokes, Nai Bat Lik means some real stories, and Pai Lik Tol means many good stories. Which word in that code means jokes? In the first and second statements, the common code word is Nai and common word is some. So Nai means some. In the first and third statements, the common code word is Pi and the common word is good. So Pi means good. Thus, in the first statement, Bye means jokes. In a certain code language, Pit Der Na means you are good, Der Tok Pa means good and bad, and Tim Na Tok means they are bad. In that language, which word stands for they? In first two sentences, good is common. Good stands for der. In last two sentences, bad is common. Bad stands for tok. In first and last sentences, r is common. R stands for na. Hence, in last sentence, na stands for r, tok stands for bad, thus Tim stands for they. Type 5. Mixed number coding. In this case, a few group of numbers or symbols, each coding a certain message, are given. For example, if 743 means mangoes are good, 657 means eat good food, and 934 means mangoes are ripe, then what digit stands for ripe in that language? In the first and third statements, the common code digits are 4 and 3, and common words are mangoes and are. So 4 and 3 are codes for mangoes and are. Thus, in the third statement, 9 means ripe. In a certain code language, 134 means good and tasty, 478 means see good pictures, and 729 means pictures are faint. Which digit stands for C? In the first and second statements, the common code digit is 4 and the common word is good. So 4 stands for good. In the second and third statements, the common code digit is 7 and the common word is pictures. So 7 stands for pictures. Thus, in the second statement, 8 stands for C.